hard lately? This video is for you. Sometimes we think we're lazy, but honestly, our mind is just exhausted. We keep comparing ourselves to people online and forget that everyone has different timing. You do not need to fix your whole life in one night. Small progress still matters. Even getting out of bed on hard days matters. One day, your current self will be proud that you didn't give up during the quiet phase. Rest if you need to, but don't disappear from your own dreams.